Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel Pioneering IAS, and today we are going to discuss Africa's map. So, whenever you are doing maps, try to think that you are going on a trip to that country so that it becomes easy to memorize and remember things. So, here we are. There are several countries as you can see, and we'll be dividing it into parts or some tricks so that you can remember these. Okay, so here we go. So first of all, we can see five countries in the topmost line, that are Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, Egypt. What are these? Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, Egypt. So these are five, and this is gonna be our first part. So the second part becomes Western Sahara, Mauritania. Western Sahara, Mauritania becomes the second part. So the next is, let's suppose there is a Mali whose name is Niger, and we are asking him to leave Sudan. So the trick becomes, or the countries become Mali, Niger, Chad, Sudan. Once again, we go Mali, Niger, Chad, Sudan. And then we're gonna have a part of four countries, that is Eritrea, Ethiopia, Djibouti, Somalia. Eritrea, Ethiopia, Djibouti, Somalia. This becomes our fourth part. And then is Kenya, Tanzania, Mozambique, South Africa. Kenya, Tanzania, Mozambique, South Africa. And continuing to the territorial of it, Namibia, Angola, Democratic Republic of Congo, and Congo. So this becomes Namibia, Angola, Democratic Republic of Congo, Congo. For remembering, you can remember it as DRC. So it becomes Namibia, Angola, DRC, Congo. Namibia, Angola, DRC, Congo. And then we have Gabon, Equatorial Guinea, Cameroon, Nigeria. Gabon, Equatorial Guinea, Cameroon, Nigeria. Say with me. Gabon, Equatorial Guinea, Cameroon, Nigeria. So here comes the trick, what you all like. So let's suppose there was a person who goes to Côte d'Ivoire, and he is hungry and he wants to eat something. So he goes to a hotel. Its name is Benin Togo Ghana, where you can have khana, and there they order a dish Burkina Faso. So the trick becomes Benin Togo Ghana, Côte d'Ivoire, Burkina Faso. Once again, Benin Togo Ghana, which is in Côte d'Ivoire, and the dish name is Burkina Faso. Repeat with me. Benin Togo Ghana, Côte d'Ivoire, Burkina Faso. Benin Togo Ghana, Côte d'Ivoire, Burkina Faso. Again, the things become. So the next we are going to have Liberia, Sierra Leone, Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, Gambia, Senegal. Once again we go Liberia, Sierra Leone, Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, Gambia, Senegal. Repeat with me. Liberia, Sierra Leone, Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, Gambia. So you can think of it as a code word for some underground, which is Liberia, Sierra Leone, Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, Gambia. Where they're gonna gamble is Gambia. Then is Senegal. Okay, And then we come to some countries that are landlocked, that is CAR, Central African Republic, Central African Republic, then is South Sudan, and these three countries you're gonna remember as Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi. Once again we go Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi. So these names are quite heavy, but the countries are really small. So we're gonna remember it as Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi. And then we have Zambia and Zimbabwe. Zambia, Zimbabwe, Botswana. Zambia, Zimbabwe, Botswana. Malawi. Hey everyone, welcome to the Atlas segment where we discuss map from Atlas. So you get the perfect picture. So we can see the topmost line as Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, Egypt. And then we have the another segment that is Western Sahara and Mauritania. And the trick that you remember that we had a Mali named as Niger who has to leave Sudan, so that becomes Mali, Niger, Chad, Sudan. Again we have the another part of it, Eritrea, Djibouti, Ethiopia, Somalia, or Eritrea, Ethiopia, Djibouti, Somalia. Then is Kenya, Tanzania, Mozambique, South Africa. Once again we go Kenya, Tanzania, Mozambique, South Africa. Moving to the territorial only, Namibia, Angola, DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo. And then we have Gabon, Equatorial Guinea, Cameroon, and Nigeria. Once again we go Gabon, Equatorial Guinea, Cameroon, Nigeria. And then I'm gonna zoom it so that you can see. And here we had a trick, that is someone went to Cote d'Ivoire and he was hungry and he found a hotel where he has a dish, Burkina Faso. So do you remember the hotel's name? That was Benin, Togo, Ghana. In Cote d'Ivoire, where he had a dish, Burkina Faso. So that becomes Benin, Togo, Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire, Burkina Faso. And then we have Liberia, Sierra Leone, Guinea-Bissau, here you can see it, Gambia, and Senegal. We go once again, Liberia, Sierra Leone, Guinea-Bissau, Gambia, Senegal. And then we have the landlocked countries that were Central African Republic, South Sudan, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi. Once again we go Central African Republic, South Sudan, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi. And then we have Zambia, Zimbabwe, Botswana, Malawi. Okay, so I hope you are clear with this now and you can remember it well. Also, one more thing I'm gonna tell you is there is a newly created nation of the world in Africa, that is South Sudan. So South Sudan is the newly created nation of the world. So it could be asked in prelims. So remember this. Okay. So hope you liked the video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, like and share.